Plesk versus cPanel, which is honestly better. The pricing is Plesk Web Admin 10 domains is $15.45 to $17.50. Web Pro 30 domains is $26.95 to $33.50. For web host, which is unlimited, it's $49.95 to $83 every month. For cPanel admin for 5 accounts is $32.95 to $70. For Pro for 30 accounts is $46.95 to $105 a month. For Premier 100 plus accounts is $65.95 for $175 a month. Some key features for both platforms. For Plesk, it's cross-platform, built-in Docker/nodes.js, and WordPress toolkit for staging/security. For cPanel, it's Linux only with Softaculous app installer, WHM integration for server management, and light speed optimization licensed. For performance, Plesk slightly heavier UI but optimized for scalability, and cPanel it's faster execution for minimal RAM usage. So which is best for which? Choose Plesk if you need Windows/Linux flexibility, Docker, or developer tools. Choose cPanel for Linux only hosts, prioritizing speed and WHM control. Subscribe.